Area of a triangle. The formula for an area of a triangle is base multiplied by height divided by 2. Sometimes you will see it written other ways. For example, half base times height, or half of base times height in brackets. So in this right angle triangle, B is the base and H is the perpendicular height. If you don't have a right angle triangle, just a regular triangle, you can see B is still the base here, and then the height, you must make sure it is a perpendicular height from the very top of the triangle straight down to the base, and it must be perpendicular, so you must see a right angle. If you had a different type of triangle, for example this one, again you must find a perpendicular height. So we have a height from the very top straight down to the base, so this is where the base is, and this here is your right angle. So this is the perpendicular height for this triangle. So let's have a look at an example. So let's find the area of this triangle. So we have a base of 3 and a perpendicular height, because it's a right angle, of 4 centimeters. So substituting the values in, we have 3 for the base and 4 for the height, and multiplying 3 by 4, which is 12, divided by 2 gives us 6 centimeter squared. Here's another one to try. So we have base of 8, and we find the perpendicular height from the top of the triangle straight down to the base, creating a right angle, which is 3. So putting those values into the formula, we will have 8 multiplied by 3 divided by 2, which gives us an answer of 12 centimeters squared. Always remember your units. Sometimes the question can be designed to trick you. So in this example, we need the base and the height, but they've given us 3 values. So finding the base, here's the base of the triangle, and this is the height which is perpendicular to it, because you can see the right angle. This one, 5 centimeters, is a red herring. So all we do is we just ignore it, and we use our 4 centimeters for the height and then 9 centimeters for the base. So substituting the 2 values 9 and 4, we don't want the slanty height 5, into the formula. We get 9 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. When we work that out, we get the final answer of 18 centimeters squared. Here's another one to try. Sometimes the diagrams are drawn differently. You can think of this diagram as a triangle drawn on its side. You have a perpendicular height of 9 centimeters to a base of 7 centimeters. So substituting those values into the formula, we will get a final answer of 31.5 centimeters squared. Here's one more example. So again, we have our base of 2 centimeters, the height of the triangle from the very top straight down to the bottom, creating a right angle, is 9 centimeters. So with those values, we get 2 multiplied by 9 divided by 2, which gives us the answer of 9 centimeters squared. So sometimes you have to work backwards. So they've given you the area, which is 48 centimeters squared, and they want you to work backwards to find the unknown perpendicular height, h. So what we'll do is we have our formula, so we'll substitute our values in. So we have 48 for our area, and we have 6 for our base. So then when we rearrange, we will times the 2 by the 48, which gives us 96. And then the next step is we will divide the 6 into the 96. So that's 96 divided by 6, which will give us a final answer of 16 centimetres for the height. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video and then try these. How did you do? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and then try again.